coach. I am a business coach. I have a child who's ADHD. I'm medicated for ADHD. I'm actually ADHD as well. And I created the ADHDers podcast just to bring you through 10 minutes of what it is like to run a business with ADHD, to help clients with ADHD, to help clients without ADHD. And I suppose one of the biggest things, this is not what we're going to talk about, but when you run a business with ADHD, you sometimes neglect your own part of the business. So your admin, your social media, and you are a model for your own clients. So if you're ever querying, should you hire somebody who openly admits that they're ADHD, you absolutely should, because they'll be the best coach you've ever had. They'll be the best makeup artist you've ever had, the best hairdresser you've ever had, the best social media person you've ever had, the best anything you've ever had, because they go above and beyond for other people. It's themselves that they neglect. So that's just an aside. One of the things I wanted to talk about today actually was I'm a Taurus with ADHD, which is like hilarious, and it's Taurus season. Might not be Taurus season. Anyway, I'm going to talk about it because it's in my head now, and I love my birthday. And my birthday has probably become smaller over the years, because the older you get, your birthdays do become smaller. And I don't have my birthday on my social media, so if you're my friend, you will remember my birthday. And if you don't remember my birthday, I really don't care, but I'm not going to make you feel better for forgetting it, if that makes sense. You know, I got so many lovely messages, and then it's like, oh, did I forget your birthday? Oh, yeah, you did. That's grand. You know, there's no, but it's like, oh, don't worry. No, do worry, because I know what your fucking date your birthday is. So yeah, do worry. Put it in the fucking diary and not forget next year. Simple. I'm not going to be like, yeah, it's grand, because you're one of the few people that I consider a really good friend. And the fact that you can't remember my birthday, and I've been 47 times around the sun, like, I'm not going to make you feel better about it. Fact. That might seem really bitchy. I don't mean anything really bitchy, but yeah, I do. And people, oh, you mightn't remember things. That's fair enough. That is fair enough. Get a fucking diary and put it in. It's very simple. And like I say, I'm not going to make them feel bad about it. Absolutely not. They're my friends. Life goes on. But I'm not going to make you feel good about it either. Simple. So I suppose what I want to talk about today is being a bit ridiculous. And I suppose that leads well into it, because like, that is a bit ridiculous, that I'm not going to make you feel good about forgetting my birthday. Yeah, that is ridiculous. Completely ridiculous. But some of the stuff that we carry in life is ridiculous. I'm going to ask a few questions now. Do you have to sit in the same chair? I'd love people to answer these in the comments, actually. Do you have a chair in the house that you sit in? A specific chair? I do. And I don't feel right if I'm not sitting in that chair. And it's a bit Sheldon Cooper. I do hate referring to that show because of certain said people in it, but it is. And you know, my family are very, very supportive in the fact that they let me have that space and that chair. It's completely fucking ridiculous. Completely ridiculous. I need to walk on the right side of people. So if we're walking, I need to be on the right side. And if I'm on the left side, and I've told you I need to be on the right side, some people do this. They try and trick me. see your grant walking on. No, I actually am filled with anxiety walking on the wrong side. So if you could accommodate me, I would really appreciate that. That's so fucking ridiculous. Do you have a side that you need to walk on, or do you have a way that you need to walk, or whatever? I'd love to hear that. But yeah, I need to walk on the right side of people, and it's so bizarre, and especially when you're walking our dog, because the dog lead gets in the way, and if my husband's walking, the dog's in the. And sometimes I do. Sometimes I because my daughter needs to walk on the same side, so I accommodate her. I don't enjoy that walk. I'm anxiety ridden. Is it ridiculous? Yes. I have a laundry routine. I've alluded to gamifying things previously. I have a laundry routine that I do every single day. I used to have it habit stacked with exercise, but now it's just formulated as part of my daily routine. I never have a full laundry, never. Now you might think, Linda, you are a fucking absolute con woman. Who the fuck do you think you are? Having a podcast that is called ADHD and telling me that you do your laundry on a regular basis. This has been a work in progress for 10 years. I have an 11-year-old, and I did not realise that when I had children, I had to do their laundry as well. They don't come out of the fucking, in my case, come out of my sunroof belly knowing how to fucking switch the fucking washing machine on. What do you mean I have to do 4 people's laundry? And I do my husband's laundry because he does a lot of the cooking, and he does the majority of the kids' activities, ferrying, and he does, so it's very, there's a lot. He does bedtime as well. There's a lot of, and I don't mind because it's a process. It's fine. What do you mean I have to do 4 people's laundry? What do you mean I needed a process, and I created a process? And do not fuck with my process. Do not fuck with my process, because there is going to be trouble. There's going to be fucking trouble. And I have the kids' drawers that I know where the things, so it's easier for me. But then sometimes that's their own space, so obviously I can't control their space because they're their own humans. But that fucks up my laundry system, my kids' messy fucking rooms, and I can't shop because I was the floor drope when I was a kid. I'm still the floor drope even though I have the laundry system, but the ridiculousness. I cannot be goosey-loosey with plans. I cannot be goosey-loosey with plans. And let me explain this. If you ask me to do something on the weekend, on Monday, I need to know times, destinations, locations. There are only 2 people in the world that I will get into a car with and not know exactly where they're going, and they are my husband and my very good friend Ivan. They know who they are. Ivan, yes, I will get into a car and go anywhere with you. 2 people. I need to know all of the details. And if you ask me on Monday and you say we'll finalise, or we'll come up with a plan on Friday, who the fuck are you? Who do you think you're talking to? Who actually do you think you're talking to? Because it's not a friend. You're not my friend if you think you're going to wait till Friday to tell me the fucking details. I need to know all the details now. I need to process where we're going. I need to process what is the best seat in where we're going. I need to process the menu. I need to process the environment. I need to process what am I going to be wearing, because is this place hot or cold? What type of clothes do I have to wear? Okay, I'm not loosey-goosey about plans. I need firm fucking details. And it is ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous. I normally record the podcast on Wednesday, and what I'll do is I'll normally record maybe 2 or 3. And I said Wednesday, I mean Tuesday. I normally record on Tuesday. I'm recording on Wednesday because I haven't recorded in weeks, and I just wanted to prep a little better. But I feel odd. It's Wednesday, and I normally record on Tuesday, and I shouldn't be recording, but that's ridiculous. But that is that. I know it's ridiculous. I know that is ridiculous. I know that is ridiculous. And another ridiculous thing is that if you tell me you don't like something, I'm going to make a judgment on you for that. So, if you tell me you don't like coffee, I was very judgy about people who didn't drink alcohol before I stopped drinking alcohol. But if you tell me you don't like coffee, I'm like, it's so lovely. Like, it's so lovely. Like, what? I don't get people who don't drink coffee. If you tell me you don't like heated rivalry, like, what happened to you? What happened to you in life that you cannot appreciate the most beautiful love story ever told on television? What happened? I'm just like, seriously, I do not know. I do not understand. I do not. And I'll finish up on this one. The most ridiculous thing, and I think a lot of you will identify with. If I'm going to paint in the sitting room, if I'm going to do a deep clean of the bins, if I'm going to defrost the freezer, do not tell me to do it. Do not tell me to do the thing that I was going to do, because I tell you one thing, I'm fucking not doing it now. Do not tell me the thing to do, the thing that I was going to do. Like, because you've ruined it. You fucked it. You've fucked all the dopamine. You fucked all. It's just gone. It's just gone. Left my body. Left the building. Absolutely. 100%. Gone. On that ridiculous note, I'll leave it. This is going out in, I don't know when this is going out. I am having an event in the Martello on Wednesday the 27th of May. It is a full day's event. Basically, what you're going to walk away with is, for your business, 100 pieces of content, a roadmap to achieve that big huge goal that you've been ignoring, a strategy to unblock some of the things, well, one of the big thing that's been stopping you from moving forward in your business. And we're going to be looking at some techniques that will help your mental health, help you understand what the heck is going on, from, moving from task to task, starting tasks, relieving overwhelm, understanding that, confidence sometimes isn't real, and like, fake it till you make it is a big huge thing. So tickets are on sale now. I would love to see you there. It's going to be such a wonderful day. Lunch is included. It's along the seaside in Bray, and I'm so excited about it. I've been Linda Monahan. This has been the ADHD is podcast. I'd love a review, a comment, a follow, and thank you so much for being part of it. Bye.